All right, great day, everyone. Let's see. It's a little wonky. Okay, perfectamundo. All right. Let's get into this. Let's see. Interesting. Quite interesting. All right, we got that all set up. Today is going to likely be an advancing day to the upside. That's what I am seeing so far. You might be like, Jane, after yesterday, what are you talking about? Well, I think we're going to see this move up higher, test that 688.50 level for the SPY. Let's get these entered in over here. Boom. All right, 683, 89, 620. 352, 249, 63, 479, 41. There we go. Those are our limits for the day. I hope you all are having a great day. Great day, Glenn. Great day. Where's my... Here we go. Let's post out. Today is a little bit calmer. I don't know. The energy feels calmer today. Just feels a little bit easier, doesn't it? I think we have a full moon on Friday. Is that correct? Full moons tend to be interesting. Let's see. December 2025 full moon. Tends to be actions and reactions in the market. December's full moon. Oh, it's today. Ooh, look at that. 6:14 Eastern. So be prepared. The last full moon of the year, cold moon. So it could be interesting. Let's see what Forbes has to say about it. Is it going to create, I don't want this cyber blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool moon, cold moon, 8:20 a.m. Oh, guess what? It's going to be in 1 minute. We'll turn full. So look outside and see if you still see it. But it's happening right now. How cool. The cold moon will turn full at 8:20 a.m. Eastern on Thursday. Happy full moon day. It's the third supermoon in a row, and it's the point of perigee. Closer to Earth and biggest in the night sky. It will be felt, the cold moon will be 100% lit just 12 hours after perigee. It's defined as, okay. It doesn't really say anything. Okay, perfect. Happy day there, Carlos. Happy full moon day. Happy full moon. How about that? All right, so we are going to check out what's going on with Bitcoin, crypto. Looks like they bought on Solana. Let's also check out UVXY. I haven't checked that out because I've been so busy lately. So let's go through and let's do our updates for UVXY. All right, the highest level, 53.81. We are well below that. That means, hey, fear is out the window. Everything is grooving, and we are moving likely to the upside. All right, 46.29. I've been saying this since last week, since we saw PSQ on the 25th, that we are looking at basically moving to the upside as long as we stay below 30.40 on PSQ. So you know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to actually add on PSQ over here, and let's bring it. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, perfect right there. That's exactly where I wanted it. I love that. All right, 31.37. Beautiful. Let's do UVIX. UVIX big money level 10.03. So I'm a bull right now. Until we get the signals over here to be a bear, I'm a bull. Oh, you know what? We forgot our tunes. Toony tunes. All right, 37.19. How is your day going? How is your week going? Is it everything you thought it would be? Is it a little wonky? Is there a little bit of sell-off going on? What are you thinking? I'm thinking that, the news is fluff, personally. Look at that, 67.08. Like, this is just perma-melt on these inverse ETFs right now. 4204, and the SDAO 3567. Yeah, we are bull on the. See, that's what's cool. And you know what I'm going to do? PSQ, and I put a level on back here from the 25th. So as long as this one 3092, as long as we stay below that, gotta be a bull. Gotta be a bull, gotta be a bull, gotta be a bull on the QQQ, gotta be a bull, gotta be a bull, gotta be a bull on QQQ. That's my name. Gotta be a bull, gotta be, that's my song. It's my theme song for PSQ. What do you think? Should we come up with one? Wouldn't that be fun? We can create a, I should totally do that. I got all these ideas. Okay, this is way too calm. You guys know me. I like music, and this is just, no. Here we go. Upbeat Christmas favorite. All right, 'tis the season. All right, we also have what going on today. Path is rocking. CRM is rocking. All right, Path had earnings yesterday. If you have a stock or crypto that you'd like me to check out, put it in the chat. We will check it out for you. $14.91 over here. I need to adjust this. There we go. Cutting off my head. Nvda. We're dancing around that big money level down here. 181.30. Tesla? Oh yeah, sure. I'll check it out. I think I gotta log in. Let's see if I go like this. It might kick me out. No. That's not what I wanted. Print, look up, great day. All right. 457 is the test zone that I would be watching for. 457. Other than that, I hit my 446.74. I called it out on Trade the Pool yesterday. I said we were down here, and I said looking for a target of 446. Well, why? Because it was over. No, was it this one? No, it was this one, the former one. But it's changed 446.30. So that's why I had that area right there. They did move it back up. Maybe they were buying. They short cover. They had a short maybe. Then they bought, and maybe they bought more. If we go below 446, we'll put that right here. 446.30 for Tesla. Then likely a move down. However, based off of the PSQ, I'm going bull on the techs. I like VUG. I like VUG for that. To move up, this one does tend to move a little bit more than the Qs in general. So when the big guys are moving, this is moving as well. All right, CRM. Earnings overnight. Wonky earnings move right there. Walmart, Glenn, we'll check it out. We'll check it out. You saw a lot of tech call flow hit the tape on cheddar flow, so I think we're higher. You think we're moving higher, or you think we are, what do you mean by you think we're higher? Oh no, it's down there. Okay. 239.28 for CRM today. This is in the billions. I don't know why it's not showing me. Okay, Wall Street Journal, stock, float, CRM. Got it. Yeah, I think we're going higher too. 952 million for CRM. Ooh, look at that. 3 white soldiers and continued move. It looks like it's stalled a bit here at 115. Let's pull it back. Let's make this a 3-hour chart. So since we've had this run up, big money is still down here since earnings. 104.16. So it's still, if we go from this move up, have they sold up here? No, it's still down at 104.26. 112.14 if we go back to Tuesday the 25th. So 112.14 is that level to watch, Glenn. Yes, I was having fun. Talking stocks with people that understand it is fun. The general layperson does not understand me necessarily. So it's fun. It's fun to talk to your peers, right? And other people that understand. Otherwise, it's like you're just talking to them. They're like, what? Huh? Okay, job cuts year over year. They did not post that. All right. Unemployment claims coming out in 1 minute. 1 minute for job claims. Oh, there we go. 191. Lower than expected. Are we going to see the market rip higher? Likely. It's surprising to see. I think that these 4-day move to the upside is related to China. The tariff non-war for the week. Maybe it'll be back to next week so they can drop it down and then, oh, it's solved, and then they move it up. What do you think? Right now it's pulling to the backside, but this is inside candle. It would need to get outside for it to be an easier trade. Let's check out MSTR. MSTR is looking like this really wants to move to the upside. Even though it's down today, I'm putting it on. I think that we are likely going to see this one move higher because of Solana. Because of the bigger money. We can see our October or our earnings level is right here at 177.31. Let's see another one that's really advancing. Mud. What the heck is Mud? Bitty is moving up. Yeah. Hims. Hims tends to be a runner. Let's check this out. Ooh, nice cup and handle over here on Hims. Do you see it forming? Rim line up here. Well, we had the cup. We got the handle. Handle breakout on Hims. It's pretty nice. Ça c'est bon, là. Ça c'est bon. We also have the curl going, and it looks like it's ready. It's ready to pop. 37.07. Yeah, I think I was also fully awake at that point, Glenn. I've had some disrupted sleep for the past couple days, so let's check out AMD for Roger. Roger's not here right at the moment, but I know AMD has been volatile lately. We are above the bigger money. They just flipped it down to 15.33. It's been on watch. HCM Micron. Wow, Micron too. We're going to change this back to a 5-minute. Really? You have Micron on there. But you can see a pretty clear trend when it's a 3-hour chart or 90 chart. You can see, look at how it hit this old trend line, a little oops to the upside, pulled back to the 50, bounced, and now it's testing that trend line again. Rejected. It's a rejected. I try to have fun every day too. Where's my red line? Interesting. There we go. Sometimes I feel like they've been on my charts and messing it up. MU, 1.12 billion, 236.80. AG is pulling back, silver is pulling back, CDE is pulling back. CDE has been on watch for me for a re-entry. It hit the 50, I took profit there because I saw it stalling and not being able to break through. Now it's coming back, maybe back down to the 1490 area. I could get in right here for a next move up because that's where this one has the potential. Let's look at PSLV today. PSLV is still very high up there. PAAS, howdy fishing deer, howdy. This looks like it wants to gap down further. I'm going to put this on as a short. Silver seems like it's in full on retracement mode. The big guys are trying to drop it down before they buy more to cover their shorts because they're trying to manipulate the price because the big guys, the banks, were caught with their pants down. They were caught with their pants down in short positions of the futures, and now they're like, oh, right? Oh, doggy doo-doo. And my thought is maybe they're going to come back to 39.01. They're probably going to close this gap at least down to 41.47 in my opinion. Let's see, any other good shorts that we see? Irene was pulling back yesterday. Snow tends to have massive moves, the software company, when they report earnings. And today is no difference. They sold, actually let's go here on a 5-minute chart and let's readjust that. Because that's going back to 4 a.m. We really want it from right here. Better, 242.15. All right, there we go. Let me tweet out what we are going to be covering for the day. All right, we're going to be covering Path, Nvda, Tesla, CRM, HIMS, MSTR, AMD, MU, PAAS, Snow. Any other ones that you guys want to see? Walmart, we'll do Walmart. We're going to look at VUG. We're going to look at, I already have PSQ on there. Bitcoin, Zcash, gold. We're going to check out the gold trade. I think gold, overall, I'm going to say bullish. Bullish overall. All right, there we go. I'm going to start giving my sentiment. Not that people really, I don't know. People can take my opinion with a grain of salt. They can do with it what they want. A lot of people, you can tell them they have their opinion and they go with their opinion, right? That's how we all have different perspectives in life, which is so cool. I think we'll likely see crypto tear upwards into the end of the year. We'll have a bullish end to the year and we'll be able to profit. All right. Let's get into the crypto segment. So a reminder for everybody, if you are new to my live stream, that I have been in the trading world for 25 years and this is all my personal opinion. So please keep that in mind. Looking to see from basically in October, 110.924, but since we had the drawdown since then, we can see the biggest money level, it has not moved yet from there, is down at 91.481. So we are bullish above that as long as we stay above that, in my opinion, on the daily. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's pop that on too from that point of view. that the big money level is at 30, 30 and 24 cents. We're hit the 33 and the 425. Thank you, Terry. 380, 70, 79. Let's go to XRP. They did move it here and they sold off of it. XRP, big money level. They moved it down to 220.07. That has not moved. XLM. It just, you know, Terry, I think it's also, I'm sharing what's also been taught to me. And once you see how manipulated the market is, you can never unsee it. So the big money level for XLM has not moved. However, since the drawdown at that point, the big money level is at 0.25123. Let's go to Doge. Doge. They dropped it down. And let's see, where's the big money level since this point? I love this. I love the tool. 0.14994. Solana, they full on bought. We are down at 142. Oh, they moved it. Nope. Let's see. 142.14. Yeah, they did move it. 142.14 is their big money level for Solana. They moved it up. All right, Zcash. Where is Zcash? Where is Zcash? Ooh, they are buying on Zcash. Hello, buy on Zcash. In my opinion, I see a buy. They sold at 515, and now they went, it's time to buy. Let's buy. 345.59. All right, let's get into the day trade setups. Let's put on 15-minute chart over here. All right. Ooh, I was going to put it right there. That's where the big money level is. How cool is that? Let's do 93,400. 93,400. Yeah, you guys will have to join me when I do an afternoon swing trading. They don't have any swing trading in the afternoon, which really surprised me. All right, 92,500, 93,400. Big money's at 93,207.05. Let's go to Ethereum. You know who we haven't seen in a while? We haven't seen Willie. Where's Willie? He took all his profits from silver, and I don't know. 3205 right here. No, 3200. I feel like some moving averages are hidden. Yeah, there we go. $3,200. Missing Glenn, missing Willie. See, when you guys are active and chatting with me, then I'm like, uh-oh, is everything okay? 3165 there. 3165, 3200. Intraday point of control, 3182.14. Maybe Willie's dad isn't doing well. All right, XRP looks like they are done on this one to the move up. They want to take it down. Let's see, 216. And let's do 213.50. 213.50. 216. Uh-oh. Can't do that. Scratch the 216. We got to go all the way up here. Because they're all the way up here. We got to go 222. 222. Nui. I'll check it out. 2.195 is the intraday. They're positioning on XRP. We had positioning yesterday as well. XLM. 275.50. There we go. 2575 for the long trade. And let's go below this. 251. 0.251. All right, so XLM 0.251 and 0.2575. Big money is at 0.254336. All right, over here. 0.151. 0.4, okay, 0.1488, 0.151. Big money is at 0.14964. Let's go to Solana. Did you get any good deer meat, fish and deer? I had someone just give me some deer meat. I like venison chili. That's one of my favorites. I love that. All right, 142 and 144. Big money intraday is at 143.08. Positioning on Solana. Zcash. Oh yeah. Oh man, no animals or just not a good shot? Right. 345 and 365 here. Big money intraday is at 361.06. Positioning, positioning, positioning. Starting to see positioning on crypto probably before we see a bigger move. We were seeing the positioning on the indexes, so it feels like they're positioning here for a bigger move as well for the crypto space. Oops. Oh no, I did the right thing. There we go, there we go. All right, that's tweeted out. Everything is a little extra slow. Is your, I see 1 deer some sits and 20 deer some sits, only after the giant grandpa deer. Yeah, we have a house in the Adirondacks and we had 5 deer regularly that come by. I had to protect the trees from the deer. All right, path over here. Let's put this on a 5-minute. That volume on that one is getting to me. All right, path had earnings. The earnings level, that was Friday overnight. Yeah, earnings, boom. Let's also check the daily short volume. Path, 58%. This has been big and building. 57 on Nvda. Tesla was beautiful yesterday. I hope. Ooh, Tesla, they shorted again, 64%. They love to short Tesla, and it's just going to keep going up, in my opinion, right now. We are in a bull move on it. I can be 100% wrong, right? Just my opinion, so do with it what you will. All right, so big money right here, 1640 or below 1592. 1592 and 1640. They bought at 1491. Bullish on this one. That was from yesterday's earnings after hours. So bullish on path, in my opinion. After earnings, Nvda, we're dancing around. Definitely bigger money positioning here for a bigger move. Which way do we go, right? 179.88 for the short trade there. And 180.50 for the long trade. Okay, let's go to Tesla. Ooh. Those shorts are feeling the pain, huh? They woke up and they went, why did I go short? 450. 450 calls are going to be nice this morning. 447.50. 448.61. Ooh, undo that. There we go. 448.61 is the total there. I'm used to doing it for crypto. Ethereum. Yeah, we'll check out. Okay, let's put over here. NUAI, Walmart, ETH. I already did ETH, Frank. You missed it. Just rewind it a bit. It's right here. 316 and 3200. 244 and 241 for CRM. 241, 244. Big money's at 239.38 from earnings right here. So we are above it for now. Bullish on CRM. Earnings was after hours. Let's go to HIMS. HIMS, you can see volume is dropping while we've got a bit of divergence right here. You see price up, volume dropping, but it looks like we want to move to the upside here. So a little divergence with volume dropping, but we do have some building right here. So this is definitely on watch. We do have a cup and handle, and we have a breakout as of yesterday, as of today. So where we end up today is going to be interesting for HIMS. So we'll keep that in mind. Get off the drawing tool here. All right. Big money at the moment was up at 38.44, so we got to go above 38.50 or below 37.80. 37.80, 38.50. Big money is below, so bullish overall. Well, we shall see, Terry. They might retrace it back down and then tear it up higher, just like this one. They're retracing it back down in the moving averages, and then they could take it up for another leg up to 200 here on MicroStrategy. Which chart? MicroStrategy? It's definitely oversold, but big money's down here. Doesn't look so bad when you see the big money support right there. You go, oh, okay. I see ya. I see you. I see you loading up between 172.50 and 177.38. I see 31. I see you. 184.50, and you're below us. Okay, big money at our back. All right, we got big money going into MicroStrategy. Trying to maybe bail it out. Maybe they're selling there, and what's their max pain for getting out of a short? These guys are sometimes stubborn to get out of shorts, like silver. Silver, you know what? Silver is that it's not going to go up. It's not going to keep going. It's not going to keep going. No, no, no. There's no way it can keep going. They got themselves into a hole, and now they're going to try to drop it to buy, and then they're going to take it back higher. They'll take delivery, and it will drive the price up. All right, AMD below 215.80 or above 217.04. Micron, not looking pretty. Not looking pretty. 231.50 here. Hoo-wee. Look at that. Stopped right where my line was. I didn't even draw it on there. Whoa, oh, oh. 228.50. All right, 228.50 and 231. No, 230.50. This is a circus, this market. Ding, ding, dong, dong, dong. For 43.80 and 43.40 for PAAS. This looks like they want to take it down more, in my opinion. Big money is still down here, but it looks like they want to retrace it down to that 41.50 zone, in my opinion. Oh, wait, let's go back one. PAAS. Let's go back and see from this point right here. They sold at 46.13. No, I wait, Terry. I wait. First 15 minutes, that commuter train open, closing, market orders, everything, a mess. No. No, thank you. Too much volatility. All right, 240. And we can tighten this up down here. 240, 250. So 240 and 240, 250. $240, $240, $250. All right, let's go to the indexes. Let's check, hold on, NUAI. NUAI looking to test. You can see naturally that we have, with the moving averages, we're having a nice triangle form right here, wedge for a breakout. Looks like money's getting ready to move to the upside. There has been a bunch of bigger money that has moved out of it. Hold on. Why did it? There we go. So you can see that big money went in, slowed down, came out a bit. And until we see it really moving to the upside, this might be cooling down a bit. Did you put day trade or swing trade there? Fish and deer? Are you looking for day trade or swing trade on this? I would say below 4, a short, and above, I'd wait for it to get above 4.80. $5, correction, $5 at least. Okay. Yeah, at 4, if it breaches that 50 simple, it's likely going to go back down to 3 right there, that 200 exponential. Okay, let's go to Walmart. Walmart has had a beautiful run to the upside. Looks almost maxed out for RSI type scenario, likely a retracement back. Risk is all the way back to the 111 there. I would say 114.65, 114.12 there. All right, and ETH, I've already done it. All right, let's go to the Dow. Let's see, we are up above, we are in head and shoulders range, not just the shampoo, the trade. Let's put on a 15-minute, let's eliminate some noise. All right, makes it easier to see. Let's put a 480 here. And 479.50. I made it easy today. 479.50, 480. Boeing is looking pretty good too. Checked out Boeing yesterday. Moved up on the Airbus news and then retraced a bit. 249.60. Nice. Nice move. And 248.80 here. For the Russell, big moves on the Russell. Qs stalled a little bit in this zone. Volume was a little bit lower. No wonder we had shorts covering here, a little bit lower here. They have not popped this to move it, but let's see if we go from our October. This is our October level, I believe. Where are we? Hey, how come? Okay, there we go. Yeah, undo that. Okay, so this is the October level right here, 611.30. So from 611.30 here, they're at 621.99. So if we go below 622, there's a good chance they might be trying to take it down further. But for now, we're bull. We're above the big money. That could just be a temporary retrace back down and then catapult up to 655. I'm about to sneeze. Sorry. I caught it so you guys didn't hear me sneeze in your ears. Whoo-wee. Tickles. 622.39 and 624.40. Only company that can kill people and not go out of business. Boeing. Yeah. Yeah. And it's subsidized by the government. Kind of like the Pfizer items that they issued. Same thing. They have blanket protection. If you took it, it was voluntary. All right. 683.80 and 685 right there. All right, so looking bullish across the board. Gotta be a bull. Gotta be a bull. Just wait for proper positioning, right? And see, we're topping out. The SPY looks very similar to the Qs because the Qs and the tech stocks are very big in the SPY as well. So I hope you have an amazing trading day. I'll see you tomorrow at 8:15.